Welcome to Rambam In-Depth. Today we'll be discussing the Rambam Hilchos De'os Chapter Halacha Zayin. If someone sees his fellow sinning, or he's going in an improper path, Mitzvah there's a mitzvah to bring him back to the good, and to notify him that he is sinning, he himself is sinning with his bad deed. He shall indeed rebuke your fellow. So the question over here is, the Rambam divides the things for which you have to rebuke into two categories. If you see your friend sinning, or he goes in an improper path. So what's the difference between the first category and the second? Sinning is going in a bad path, and going in a bad path is sinning. So one commentary, known as the Turi Even on the Rambam, says that the difference is Mitzvos leisasa and Mitzvos Asei. If he sees Chaver Shechata, it's talking about a Mitzvos leisasa. Shehelef b'derech le'tayva, that means he misses out in a Mitzvos Asei. That's a little difficult because he wouldn't have used the expression derech loy teva. It means that the path is a bad path, not just he avoids doing the right thing. Others say that the difference between Aveira shechata and derech loy teva is there are things that are not technically sins. They are nevertheless in an improper path. And it's like the Gemara in Brachas talks to Eli, said to Chana, whom he thought was intoxicated, how long is it going to be for you to be intoxicated? And the Gemara says, that from here we derive that if you see your fellow doing something that is improper, you have to rebuke him. And Tayvas there says, even though there's no Isa Deraisa. So that's what he refers to over here. He goes b'derech le'teva, that's technically not an Aveira, but nevertheless, you have to rebuke the person. But that's also difficult because, true, it may be that it's not an Isa Deraisa, but it might be an Isa Derabanan, which is also a transgression. So what is the derech le'teva? So there are two possible ways of explaining it. One possible way of explaining it, based on what the Rambam says in Hilchos Teshuva, Al Taimar, she'ein ha-tshuva ela ba'aveira she'yesh behen ma'isa. One shouldn't think that tshuva only applies to sins that involve action. Genzenus, Vegezel, Gneva, immorality, theft. But the Rambam says no. Kishem shetzarich adam lashav me'elu, kach letzarich lefchapes b'deis roi sheyashlei b'lashav mehen. Person has to avoid negative dispositions, negative attitudes, and do tshuva. And he gives examples: min hakas, from anger; min ha'eva, for hatred; min ha'kinam, min ha'tachris, hatred, and jealousy, and rivalry; min ha'hitul, and mockery; min ha'difus hamamin, v'ha'kavid, pursuing money and glory; and redifus ha'machalis, and pursuing gluttonous consumption of food; and similar things. All of these things require tshuva. So in other words, even though these are technically not Aveiros, although that's something we could argue about also, if they're considered to be Aveiros, but they're in a different category because they're not active sins, they are internal sins that manifest themselves sometimes in action. Because if you don't see the person express himself with anger, for example, how do you know the person is really angry? But it's not that the Aveira is the expression of the anger. The Aveira is the attitude of anger. And from that itself, a person has to do tshuva, as the Rambam says, the Hilchos Teshuva. And that's what the Rambam over here means in Hilchos De'os, that these are things that are not necessarily sins, outright sins, but they are derech le'teva, improper path. That's one approach. Another approach is based on what it says in Pirkei Avos, Perik Beis, of Mishtakal b'shleisha dvarim v'yate ba l'dei Aveira, Perik Beis and Perik Gimel. Reflect on three things, and you won't come l'dei Aveira, to the handles of Aveira. What does that mean, handles of Aveira? It doesn't say l'dei Aveira, but handles. So the Rabbi explains that handles of Aveira means Tayvas Heter, the taiva for permissible things that are not inherently sins, but they could lead to Aveiros. And that's what the Rambam over here means. He sees that a person actually sinned. The derech le'teva is Tayvas Heter that can lead to Chet. And this will reconcile what the Rambam says here with what he says in Sefer Mitzvos. There he says you have to rebuke a person even before he sins. The Rambam doesn't mention that over here in Yad HaChazaka. Here he mentions only if he sinned and he went in an improper path. But now, the improper path is, in effect, how do you know someone is going to sin? You see him behaving with Tayvas Heter. So you know that that's going to lead to Tayvas Iser. So that's what the Rambam means in Sefer Mitzvahs. It's something that could lead to Aveira. Otherwise, how do you know someone is going to do the Aveira? Of course, there are times when a person could say he's about to do it, but the Rambam includes even more than that, that certain behaviors are giveaways that the person is going to come to doing Aveiros.